Alarmanlage.
Hello. Very good, my friends.
Police? In today's video we are going to unbox, review and test the SwitchBot indoor camera they have just launched this year, and we are going to integrate it with the Alexa. It's possible to see the camera on the TV using Alexa. I got two more things from SwitchBot, the motion sensor and the contact sensor. You will find the videos here. You will see these sensors during the video because we will use these sensors to create some routing. The camera costs around 40 euros. You can get yours on Amazon. You will find the link on the description. You can use it to monitor the baby or as a security camera. Okay, let's check what came in the box. Okay, we have this support with the magnet. We have the camera itself. Okay, came with a protection plastic. Logo, we have a microphone, the camera has infrared lights. Oh, it works with micro USB and it has a speaker, and here it has a button to start the camera. What else is here? Oh, cool! It came with the charger. Sometimes it doesn't come a charger. And you can change it easily. And here we have the adapter for the UK. So if you are living in UK, you can quickly change to this one. But since we are in Spain, we are going to use the European socket. We have two 3M sticks to stick the support to the wall or wherever we want. And we have as well this if we want to drill holes and mount it on the wall. We can install the support in two positions. One in here, if you want to put it on the wall. You have to press quite a lot to put it in position. And like this you can mount it on the wall, or you can put it on this part here and then put it on a table, for example, like this. You can easily install the camera in any metal surface because the support has a magnet. One of the usages of the camera is to watch out the babies while they are on the cradle. The video you are currently seeing is a recording from the camera. It is recorded in high definition, the maximum quality the camera allows. It came with the USB cable. I would prefer USB-C, okay, but okay. I really like user manual for the SwitchBot's products because the instructions are quick and easy to follow. In few seconds you have your device configured. Something that didn't came but you probably are going to need is a MicroSD card. I'm using this one that is 32. You can buy it on Amazon, for example, for 10 euros. I will leave some links in the description so it's easier for you to find the product. Slot is here, okay, like this. And if you want to release it, you just need to press. The camera supports micro SD cards up to 128 gigabytes. I'm going on holidays and I need a security camera for the house. I'm going to use the indoor SwitchBot camera for that. I know that it's very easy to disable this camera. You just need to turn down the electricity from the house. But this is not a big problem because I'm working on putting a battery on the camera and as well on the router of the house, so I will be able to keep it working even if someone unplugs the electricity for the house. Let's connect the camera to the SwitchBot application. Okay, let's start the SwitchBot application. You can download it from the Apple Store or from the Play Store in the Android. We are going to add a new device here, and for that we are going to click on the plus on the top right corner of the screen. Okay, first we need to plug the camera. Okay, plug the camera. Let's select on the mobile phone indoor cam. Flashing red. Okay, now the camera is static, but we have to wait until it starts to flash in red. Now we had heard that tone and the flash indicator started to blink, and we are going to click on flashing red. Now we need to enter the password for the Wi-Fi. I don't know it. 1 second. Now I have the password here. One thing I want to explain is that this camera only works with 2.4 gigabytes Wi-Fi. Doesn't support the 5 gigabyte Wi-Fi. Usually the router has the 2 Wi-Fi. The 5 gigabytes Wi-Fi is more thought to have higher speed, but it has less range. The 2.5 has less speed, but you can connect to that Wi-Fi from farther away. So this camera is thought to provide you video from any point in your house. So it's better to connect to the 2.4 because it allows you to see the camera from everywhere in the house almost. And the camera doesn't require that high bandwidth like with the 5G. So I'm okay with the camera only allowing you to connect to 2.5 gigabytes. Okay, let's continue. Let's click on next. Okay, now there is a QR code on the screen. We are going to close the camera until we hear this beep. I hear the prompt. I click on I hear the prompt. Okay, now it's connecting to the camera. I'm going to place the camera here so you will see me on the mobile phone. Okay, indoor main room. I like that name. Pick a room. I can create a room, but I'm going to select all devices for the moment. Okay. It has failed. The camera is not plugged. Look what happened. Let's do like this. It's what I was mentioning before. I prefer the USB-C because the cable gets attached to the device more firmly. And as you can see, we lose the wire in this and the power of the camera. Okay, let's try again now that I have plugged it. Okay, let's test the reaction time of the camera. I think it's 1 or 2 seconds, more or less. What I heard is that the speaker quality, it's okay, but the microphone quality is not so good. So I'm going to try to speak to the camera from far away. Hey, can you hear me okay? If I'm talking like this, you hear me? Hey! From near sounds okay, I think. Let's test the sound quality of the camera. And the people that is in front of the camera will be able to. The camera sounds quite good, the speaker is okay. And the microphone quality is better than I was expecting compared to other reviews I hear. Look at the Alexa how it sounds.
Hello.
And it's next to the TV 15 meters
my
away.
friend.
To hear what the people in front of the camera is saying, you have to click on the unmute button. By default, it's mute. We can turn the screen bigger, okay. We can do pictures while we are recording on the camera, clicking on the camera icon. We can record video while we are on live streaming. We can record the video and later see that video. We can select the video quality we want to see. By default, it's HD, but we can change to SD. The quality of the video will decrease. We can enable or disable the motion detector. When we left home, we want the motion detector to send us notification when it detects motion. We can set how the night mode should work. We can set it auto, off or on. We can click on privacy mode if we don't want the camera to record anything. And then we can later turn on when we are not in home. We can access the gallery of pictures. We can review the pictures from here. If we click on the top right corner, we will go to the settings, and there we have extra options like basic settings. After installing a new MicroSD card, what we want to do is to format that card. Okay, click on format. Now my card is ready to start to record. We can do continuous recording, all the time recording, or only motion detection recording. You can store the recordings on the cloud service. It costs around €7 and you can put several cameras. Everything is encrypted, but it will only upload video when there is a motion detection. It doesn't work for the continuous recording. When recording mode is set to event only, we can go to the motion detection, detect human only, for example. What I'm going to do now is to set the motion area zone, okay, because I only want to record when the door opens. So set enable area of detection, okay, and then let's go to edit area of detection. This is useful, for example, if you are outside and there is a tree and you don't want to record the branches moving around. Then you only focus maybe on the door, or in places where the people can access your garden. If we click on messages, we can see the notifications we have received and click on that video and reproduce the video on the mobile phone. Here you can see me arriving home. And then we have the playback, okay, so we can see the history of what happened during the day. We can go to the moment when there is detection. Here is me arriving at home today. Now I'm going to show you how to export videos, because you cannot export videos from the memory card because the data is encrypted. The only way to export the video and send it via WhatsApp or download it to your favorite cloud driver. Okay, to do that, we search for what is the moment we want to, search the moment we want to record, okay, and we click record, okay, we record that moment, okay, we click stop recording, and then we can go to the memory of our drive and the video will be there. Okay, this is the only way to record the videos and send it to other devices. If we have the SwitchBot hub, we can integrate the camera with the Alexa and see the camera, for example, in the TV. Here we have the third-party integration, and you can see that you can integrate with Alexa or a scene. Alexa, show me entrance.
Vale.
As you can see, it's possible to see the camera on the TV using Alexa. Okay, let me know what do you think about the camera. Leave some comments here.
I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the like button. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.